Day one riding in Cambodia. We've just crossed the border from Vietnam. Some clouds overhead. Let's see how we go. Crossing the border into Cambodia from Vietnam was a weird experience. The border town is a mix of huge fancy casinos built next door to duck farms along roads with cattle walking down them. We stayed there the night as it had been a long day's ride from Ho Chi Minh before hitting the road the next day towards Phnom Penh. The road between the border and the capital is pretty much just a long straight highway, but is relatively quiet and has some nice countryside and small towns along the way. We managed to get off the highway and onto some dirt roads through some small rural towns for the final stretch into Phnom Penh. We rested our legs in the city for a few days, filling up on Cambodian barbecue, which was often grilled frogs, as well as enjoying some nice cafes before making our way towards Siem Reap. As soon as we left the city, we were onto some small back roads through quiet villages, and we spent the night camped beside the river in a Buddhist monastery. We followed the Tonle Sap River towards the town of Krong Kampong, where we spent the night and then got up early the next day to get a ferry across the river, which turned out to be a really beautiful morning. And on the other side of the river, we rode through one of the friendliest and nicest little towns we've ever come across. Something about it just put huge smiles on our faces, and we absolutely loved this day's ride. We crossed the Mekong River this morning, and now we're just going up the east side of Lake Tonle Sap. And we've just been rural villages all day, pretty quiet roads, and just nice countryside. All the locals are super friendly and yelling hello and waving to us all the time. Just, yeah, an epic day riding here in Cambodia. The asphalt roads ended before too long, and we found ourselves on a long dirt stretch, getting faces full of dust, but still loving riding through this part of Cambodia. When we reach the number 6 highway, it's pretty much just one long road from there to Siem Reap. Still, it wasn't too busy riding, with plenty of countryside and interesting things to see along the way, like these roadside crushed rice mills and this cool old stone bridge built almost 1,000 years ago during the Khmer Empire era. We made quick progress along the highway among the various other types of vehicles, and in a couple days we'd reach Siem Reap, ready to have a few days off the bikes to relax, explore, and above all else, eat a lot of food. Between Siem Reap and the Thai border, it was back on the highway for some flat, pretty monotonous riding, but we were kept entertained by the people we shared the roads with and stopped at some small towns and markets along the way. On the final stretch, it happened to be election weekend, so we rode along surrounded by political campaigners on bikes and in cars who seemed to be just having a huge mobile party. Our trip through Cambodia had been brief, but full of fun, happy people and beautiful countryside, and it's somewhere we'll always come back to. To keep up with our adventures, follow us on Instagram at We Ride Bikes Places or subscribe to this channel.